To download a generic profile, firstly go to permajet.com, select ICC Profiles, scroll down to the Download Generic ICC Profiles section, select your printer, select the ink, and then select the profile you require. Click Submit, double click the profile name, and again click Download button. Save the file. Once it's downloaded, close the website, go to your Downloads folder, right click and select Install Profile. The profile is now stored correctly and will be available to use in your imaging software.